Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to short a stock on Robinhood. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open the Robinhood app or log in to your Robinhood account on your browser. Now search for the stock that you want to trade by using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find the stock, simply click on it to open its details page. If you're looking to directly short a stock by borrowing shares and selling them, it's important to know that Robinhood does not currently support this feature for retail users. You won't find a short sell option anywhere on the stock's trading page. To do this, open the stock you want to trade, tap the trade button and then select trade options. If options trading isn't enabled on your account, Robinhood will guide you through the application process before you can access this feature. Once you're inside the options chain, choose an expiration date and select a put option that matches your trading strategy. Review the premium, strike price, and other contract details carefully before continuing. After selecting your contract, enter the number of contracts you want to purchase, review your order, and then submit it if everything looks correct. Keep in mind that options trading involves significant risk and you can lose the entire premium you pay for a contract. Before placing any trade, make sure you understand how put options work and only invest money you're prepared to risk, and that's it. So that's basically how you can short a stock on Robinhood. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.